Friends, welcome to this question and answer session in zoology. Myself Jagdish Kara, lecturer on zoology, KBDAV College, Nirakarpur. Today we will discuss questions of PG Zoology entrance examination held in 2020. Let us proceed to the questions. The term ecotype was coined by Goethe, Truson, Macmillan, Coringa, Elton. Here the correct option is Goethe, Truson. Friends, ecotype is a population that is adapted for local conditions. Charles Elton developed the concept of ecological pyramids. Let us proceed to next question. The term biocenosis was proposed by Tansley, Warming, Carl Mobius, none of the above. Here the correct answer is Carl Mobius. Biocenosis is the interacting organisms living together in a particular habitat. The term biocenosis was used by Carl Mobius. He describes biocenosis as interacting organisms living together. Tansley, A.G. Tansley, he introduced the concept of ecosystem. We will proceed to the next question. Which of the following is not a limiting factor for photosynthesis? The correct answer is oxygen. The other three, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, light, are the limiting factors because the productivity of the ecosystem largely depend upon these, that is carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and light. The next question is receptor mediated endocytosis requires which of the coat protein? The correct answer is clathrin. The clathrin is a coat protein which forms coating of the vesicles of the cell which help in absorption of metabolites. The other alternative SNARE, it is the acronym of soluble N-ethyl malamide sensitive factor attachment protein receptor. Arrestin, it is a small family of proteins important for signal transduction at guanine protein coupled receptor. glycoprotein, protein which contains oligosaccharides chains attached to a amino acids. The next question is question number 17. The protein that is responsible for sliding of the outer microtubule doublets against one another to produce ciliary binding is nexin, denine, tubulin, none of the above. Here the correct answer is denine. Here nexin is a proteinous interdoublet linkage that prevents sliding over of the microtubules. Denine is a motor protein that move along microtubules and derive the beating of the cilia. They convert the chemical energy from ATP to mechanical work for causing sliding of the microtubules droplet against one another to produce ciliary binding. Tubulin is a protein that polymerizes into long chains of the microtubules. This much for today. Thank you.